Umshengu uthi ukulungiswa kwengqalasizinda angeke kugcine ngezikole ezihlaselwe ngesikhathi se-lockdown, kepha nalezo ezakhahlanyezwa izikhukhula ngokunjalo nezivele sezigugelwe ingqalasizinda. Ukuthola lesamba esingaphezulu kwebhiliyoni bazongqongqoza ehhovisi likaMgcinimafa esifundazweni kanye nasemnyangweni wezemfundo kuzwelonke. Njengoba izingane zizobuyela esikoleni mhla zingama-24 kuye phezulu, Umshengu uthi ikhona imizamo eyisibambiso ukuze kuqhubeke ukufunda nokufundisa.
We are ready because what we have done is that where really damage has been too huge, such that we could not open the school without major interventions, we deployed mobile classrooms to those schools so that teaching and learning can continue. But mobile classrooms are just an interim measure. We have identified 127 schools that will benefit from the program of renovations. We set aside about 318 million to renovate these schools.
Uphinde waveza ukuthi basola isandla esinoboya kulokuhlaselwa kwezikole ikakhulu kulabo abafuna izinkontileka zokusebenza nomnyango.
Every time there is a burglary in our schools, we continue to get calls from different private companies to say, you must hire us, we're going to protect your schools. We are also starting to believe that these things are done deliberately so that certain private companies do get a job as they demand at times from the Department of Education.
Ephetha Umshengu uthe kuyaqoza kubanjwa kwezigilamkhuba kanti sebesungule ikomiti elihlanganise umnyango wezemfundo, wezokuphepha komphakathi, abakwasidlodlo kanye ne-NPA ukuqinisekisa ukuphuthumisa ubulungiswa. Umshengu bekhuluma nohlelo lwe-SABC iAgenda.